Now, this is a process where you're trying to get people to be rational about risk. And it worked to some extent, but just one thing to remember is that people are not very good at being rational about risk. This is not, this is not a human strength. Then the classic is air travel versus driving, right? I mean, very few people are afraid to get in a car, but a lot of people are afraid to get on planes, and that's just completely irrational from a risk point of view. You know, because it's just no comparison. You're just like 100 times more likely to be killed in a car accident than in a plane accident, right? But people, you know, air disasters are big, spectacular things. They are guaranteed to get a lot of attention. A lot of people die all at once when they happen. So, you know, that draws the news media, which then amplifies the dread and the, you know, the uncertainty. And then there's this question of whether you're in control versus somebody else is in control. There are a lot of emotional variables that play on this. And there's actually a presentation that's out on the RBCS website on the library page by a guy named Simmons. And it talks about why people have trouble being rational with risk. So if you want to take a look at that and understand the psychology behind it, you can download it, take a look at it. But just keep in mind, every now and then you're going to encounter situations where people are not being rational about risk, okay? And you know, it's going to cloud the lens a little bit. You can't necessarily make people be rational about risk.